If you've ever wondered how to find real deals and coupons faster, ChatGPT can help you do it in a much smarter way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for deals and coupons, including how to ask for active discount codes, how to test them, and how to check whether a coupon can be stacked with a sale. This is a great way to save time when shopping online, especially if you're comparing stores or trying to get the best possible price. And if you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you want to think of ChatGPT as more than just a chatbot. In this case, you can use it like a shopping assistant or research helper. The key is to give it a very specific prompt so it knows exactly what you want. A vague prompt like "find me coupons" usually won't give the best results. Instead, try asking something like, "Find the best currently working discount codes for a specific store and verify which ones are active today." That kind of prompt gives ChatGPT a clear goal, context, and time frame. Now, if you want better results, be specific about the store name. Replace the store placeholder with the exact website or brand you're shopping from. The more detailed you are, the better your results will be. You can also ask ChatGPT to focus on a certain type of deal, such as free shipping, percentage off, buy one get one, student discounts, or first order codes. This helps narrow the search and makes the response more useful. Next, if ChatGPT has access to agent-style browsing or active search features, you can take this a step further. Try prompting it to act like a shopping agent. For example, you could say, "Act as a shopping agent. Go to this store's website, add this product to the cart, and test these codes to see which provides the highest discount." This is especially useful because sometimes the best code is not the one that looks best on paper. A code might seem promising, but only real testing will show which one actually gives you the biggest savings at checkout. If you already have a few coupon codes, you can ask ChatGPT to compare them. For example, if you found 3 different codes online, tell ChatGPT to evaluate them and rank them based on value. You can ask it which one is the strongest percent discount, which one applies to the full cart, and which one has restrictions. This is a simple way to organize your options before you even go to checkout. Another powerful trick is asking about stackable deals. Some stores allow a coupon code to work with a sale, while others don't. You can prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Analyze the current sale at this store. Can I combine this coupon code with the site-wide discount? Check the terms and conditions for exclusions." This helps you figure out whether a code will work together with a promotion or whether the store blocks coupon stacking. You can also use ChatGPT to help you read the fine print. If a coupon doesn't work, ask it to explain possible reasons. It may be because the item is excluded, the code is only for new customers, the minimum purchase hasn't been reached, or the promotion expired. ChatGPT can help you troubleshoot all of that in plain language so you don't waste time guessing. For even better results, include the product you want to buy. If you're shopping for shoes, electronics, clothing, or software, mention the exact product in your prompt. Then ChatGPT can help you search more intelligently and focus on codes that are more likely to apply. This is especially useful for stores that have category-specific promotions or item-specific exclusions. Here's another useful tip. If you're shopping across multiple stores, ask ChatGPT to help you compare where the best value is. You can say, "Find the best available discount codes for these 3 stores and tell me which one gives the lowest final price for this item." That way, ChatGPT becomes a comparison tool, not just a coupon finder. Now remember that not every code you find online will still work. That's why verification matters. The best workflow is to let ChatGPT help you discover likely codes, then test them at checkout or in the cart. If a code doesn't apply, ask ChatGPT for a better alternative or a reason it may have failed. This saves time and reduces frustration. Also, be sure to use prompts that are direct and actionable. For example, ask ChatGPT to test these codes, rank them, check exclusions, or find the highest discount. Those verbs give the model a clearer task. The more structured your prompt is, the more useful the answer will be. So to recap, the process is simple. Open ChatGPT, ask for currently working discount codes for your store, use agent-style instructions to test codes if available. Check whether coupons can stack with sales and compare the final savings before buying. That's how you can use ChatGPT for deals and coupons in a faster and smarter way. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.